Good afternoon, everyone, respected principal and my dear colleagues and my dear students. Today we gathered here to talk about the importance of mangroves. Mangroves are more magical forest and where we discover natural secrets. You know very well, in UAE, there is a program in each and every schools how to protect this endangered species. It's going to be lost, but we have to protect these mangroves with the help of more programs and planting more mangroves in the forest. So, I welcome you all for this wonderful program, and Master Alvin will explain about the importance of the mangroves and hope you will all enjoy. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Why we should conserve mangroves. So I hope that everyone here will try to save this natural wonder of the 21st century. Thank you all for coming here.
As we have discussed, mangroves are special trees. They are special trees because they are grown in salt waters of intertidal and Mediterranean forest. People also consider them as shrubs because they have branches as long as those. And these are the most top 3 countries with the highest percentage of mangrove forest on earth. Some mangrove projects and local agreements across the world. In Kenya, the Gazi Bay project named Mikoko Pajuma means the mangroves together in Sawali is implemented for preserving mangrove forest around 615 hectare acres. In Indonesia, a village named Tegaga in North Sulawesi opted to consider around 150 hectare acres of mangrove forest. And coming to UAE, in UAE, the Abu Dhabi Mangrove National Park, the government has planned to reduce the construction of factories, burning of waste by 15% of the trees grown for medium health and 5% of deteriorating health due to excess intake of carbon-2 emissions. Here, as you can see, are some of the most important species that can be considered as a part of the mangroves. We have the Siamese fighting fish, the crab-eating macaque, the herons, egret, bitterns, spoonbills, limpkins, and ibis. Some interesting facts about the mangroves. Mangroves can not only grow in muddy water, they grow on coral reefs, peat, sand, and rocks. They also can live up to water up to 100 times the saltier than other plants can tolerate. Many people often mistake mangroves can be propagated by their stem, but yet mangroves are flowering plants, but unlike seagrasses, most plants live above soil, above water. As the point that you said, red mangroves do not respond well to cutting and they are very sensitive and delicate. If 50% or half of their leaves are destroyed, they will die. And used, as I said, the black mangrove seeds can be edible and used as a delicacy across the world. Mangrove forest, the guardian of the coast. Without mangroves, we have seen a video on how hard it can be without these mangroves. Without mangroves, we all would be diminished and many people would suffer. It is a dimensional scenario that may include coastal with barren, unproductive shores, collapsed fisheries, turbine, polluted water, little protection for communities from severe weather events and sea level rise, and loss of many types of animals and plants. The United Nations Environment Program has declared that if the mangroves were completely to be wiped off the face of Earth, there would be a loss around 1.2 million species of plants and animals. That's just 1/8 of the whole Earth's population of animals and plants. These are some macaques and dugongs. Dugongs also play a vital role in the history of UAE, as they were the first project initiated by UAE to preserve the nature and boost for ecotourism. And how has thus far mangroves helped UAE from early climate change, and will they help in the future if conserved? Do you think that it can be conserved and they will be helpful to us?
Yes. Yes.
The UAE is home to 50% of mangroves in Gulf. Abu Dhabi mangroves are rare to find in such an arid environment. and remain instrumental in protecting the fish stock. They reduce global warming and protected the coastline from storms and beach erosion. The fish stock has increased, placing many low-income fishermen. Mangroves in the UAE are important for nesting birds, as migratory birds come often to these mangroves as a reproducing system. They are rich in source of food for many species of animals and insects. The Mangrove National Park is a dense forest protected by the UAE government. And as far as discussed, why are these mangroves so special? They have come across in many sectors. Why? What that makes them special? The wow factor in them. Their tangled roots filter out dirty water. Fishes can have a safe breeding place. Every tree takes in CO2 through the leaves and release gas when they shed the leaves. But it's different in case of mangroves. Our mangroves are halfway submerged in water. Shedding the leaves will fall into the water and hence releasing the carbon into the water, as a point that you said. Mangroves prevent soil erosion as their tangled roots keep the soil intact. And mangrove peat absorb water during heavy rain and storm surge, reducing the chances of flooding. So these are 6 things that you can do to bring back mangroves. One is to understand the importance of mangroves, how they have been helpful to the humanity. Understand what is driving their loss. You need to find out what's killing them. You need to take action against that. Make sustainable choices. Sitting at home won't just help. You need to make your own choices. What will affect the nature? There lies in your hand. It has gone beyond the conservation of government. Learn how restoration works. As someone said, restoring the plants in farmlands can be helpful. So we have to take major steps to restore them. Be an advocate and an activist. As you are willing to become an activist, you can take all these steps to protect these mangroves. And at last, make some noise. Donating to teams and won't be enough. You need to get out there, get your own protest for the prosperity of these mangroves. And with this I conclude the special edition of Mangroves. Thank you.